Today I am reviewing the HP 14 laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with the design. The HP 14 sports a sleek and thin profile with a micro-edge display bezel of just 6.5 millimeters, giving it a modern look and a high screen-to-body ratio of 79%. This means you get more screen space without the bulk, which is great when you're carrying your laptop around campus, the office, or your favorite coffee shop. The laptop's lightweight and compact size add to the convenience, making it an ideal travel companion. Now, talking about the display, it's a 14-inch HD panel with a resolution of 1366 by 768 pixels. While it's not full HD, the display delivers clear visuals with decent brightness and color accuracy for everyday tasks. Whether you're watching videos, attending virtual meetings, or browsing photos, the micro-edge design ensures a more immersive viewing experience with less distraction from thick bezels. Under the hood, this laptop is powered by the Intel Celeron N4020 dual-core processor. This chip strikes a balance between performance and power efficiency, handling everyday tasks smoothly without draining your battery too quickly. Paired with 4 GB of RAM, it can multitask moderately well, perfect for running web browsers with multiple tabs, streaming music or video, using productivity apps, and light photo editing. For storage, the HP 14 comes with 64 GB of flash-based storage. While this isn't a huge amount by today's standards, it's enough to store your important documents, photos, and applications. Plus, the flash-based storage offers faster boot times and file access compared to traditional hard drives. However, if you plan to store lots of media files or games, you may need to consider external storage options or cloud services. One standout feature for a budget laptop is its 4K ready capability. Thanks to the integrated Intel UHD Graphics 600, you can enjoy smooth playback of 4K videos and even play some lighter next-generation games without issue. This makes the laptop a versatile choice for entertainment as well as work. Running on Windows 11 Home, this laptop comes with the latest Microsoft operating system, offering a modern, user-friendly interface with improved multitasking features and security enhancements. Plus, it includes 1 year of Microsoft 365, giving you access to popular apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, which is great for students and professionals alike. The HP 14 also provides reliable connectivity options and ports, making it easy to connect peripherals or external displays. Whether it's for video calls, presentations, or media streaming, this laptop has you covered. To sum it up, the HP 14 laptop is a solid choice for anyone who wants a lightweight, affordable, and easy-to-use machine for everyday tasks. Its combination of portability, decent performance, and vibrant display makes it especially suited for students, casual users, and anyone who values convenience without breaking the bank. If your computing needs revolve around productivity, streaming, and light multitasking, this laptop can handle it all while fitting easily in your bag. So, if you want a dependable entry-level laptop with a modern design and all-day usability, the HP 14 is definitely worth checking out.